Finding a chiropractor can be difficult, but if you know what questions to ask, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to find the perfect professional to help you. With a few simple tips, you'll be aligned and kicking in no time. We caught up with a local chiropractic expert to get some insight on finding the perfect professional for your needs.
I'm often asked how to find a chiropractor for taking care of spine and joint issues. The problem is that when a patient has spine and joint issues, finding the right chiropractor can feel overwhelming. And the good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult if you know what questions to ask. Searching for a great chiropractor to suit a patient's need for spine and joint care can be challenging. Finding a chiropractor that is close by with flexibility like extended hours and exceptional expertise can feel like a tough search. I'd like to give a few tips to finding a great chiropractor when looking for spine and joint care. Location and flexibility. Finding a great professional close to you with the hours that work for you is always a plus. Most painful treatment conditions or injuries will require more than one treatment, and for best results, it will be important to follow your chiropractor's recommendations. Do they have a great reputation? You want to make sure that you read at least 6 to 10 reviews because it'll really give you comfort before you make your decision. And finally, you want to look for a chiropractor who is really passionate about what they do. Someone who will take the time to explain your condition and what it'll take to correct it. And not just someone who is focused on getting you out of pain, but someone who will also take the time to educate you on how chiropractic can keep you healthy over the course of your life by removing the interference from your nervous system, which can be caused by misaligned spinal bones. Our expertise is spine care and joint care, and we focus on helping potential patients with neck pain, lower back pain, shoulder pain. For those who want to learn more, they can simply go to www.physiomedvancouver.ca, where they can learn more about our services, including chiropractic care, or they can call us at 604-879-7214. We are happy to help because patients are the key to our success, and we achieve our goals one patient at a time.
And there you have it. Some great advice and a few simple tricks is all it takes to find the right professional that won't disappoint. Would you like to know more? Our expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Until next time.